We've all been there. You just cleaned your glasses or your phone screen, but the moment you step outside or touch your lenses, you're greeted by greasy fingerprints and streaks, or worse, you pull out a cloth, wipe your screen, and it still looks smudged. It's frustrating, isn't it? Keeping lenses clean is a never-ending battle, and despite the various products on the market, it can feel like nothing truly gets the job done right. That's where Peeps by Carbon Klean steps in, a revolutionary NASA-inspired lens cleaning solution that not only promises to clean perfectly, but also eliminates streaks, fingerprints, and dust in just one swipe. In this review, we'll dive into why Peeps is being hailed as the game-changing solution for crystal clear lenses. Whether you wear glasses, sunglasses, or clean your phone screen daily, this might be the product you've been waiting for. What is Peeps by Carbon Klean? Peeps is a compact, pocket-sized lens cleaning device that uses carbon microfiber technology to clean and maintain lenses without any streaks or damage. Designed for everyday use, Peeps is a non-toxic, reusable cleaning solution suitable for all lens types, whether you're cleaning eyeglasses, sunglasses, phone screens, goggles, or even camera lenses. It's been tested and recommended by optometrists worldwide for its gentle yet effective cleaning performance. What sets Peeps apart is its patented carbon microfiber tips, which use the same technology NASA trusts to clean delicate instruments used in outer space. Yes, NASA. If it's good enough for astronauts, it's certainly good enough for your lenses. How does Peeps work? The magic of Peeps lies in its simple yet powerful cleaning method. Unlike sprays, wipes, or cloths that only smear oil and dust around, Peeps uses carbon microfiber to grab and lift oils, fingerprints, dust, and grime away from your lenses. Here's how it works. Dust removal. Before cleaning, the built-in brush helps you clear away any loose dust or dirt particles that could scratch your lens when cleaned. Cleaning with carbon microfiber pads. After brushing away debris, Peeps carbon microfiber pads go to work. These pads trap oils, fingerprints, and smudges, leaving your lenses perfectly clean without leaving streaks behind. The real innovation here is carbon microfiber, a material so effective at cleaning that it's used in space for the delicate task of cleaning astronaut equipment. So you can have that same level of cleanliness for your everyday lenses. Features and benefits of Peeps. Now that we know how Peeps works, let's take a closer look at the features and benefits that make it stand out as the ultimate lens cleaner. NASA-inspired carbon technology, the same technology used to clean equipment on the International Space Station, is now available for your glasses. The carbon microfiber pads remove smudges, fingerprints, and oils without harming your lens coatings. No scratches, no smears. Unlike traditional microfiber cloths or wipes, Peeps guarantees scratch-free, streak-free cleaning. The carbon microfiber ensures a deep, thorough clean without any risk of damage. Fast and easy, just a single swipe cleans your lenses perfectly. You don't need to waste time cleaning your lenses over and over with ineffective wipes or sprays. With Peeps, you get clear, clean lenses in seconds. Compact and portable, Peeps is designed to be as portable as possible. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, purse, or bag, making it the perfect on-the-go solution for clean glasses wherever you are, eco-friendly and reusable. Unlike disposable wipes that contribute to environmental waste, Peeps is a reusable product that can clean your lenses over 500 times. It's an eco-conscious choice that helps reduce waste while saving you money. Works on all lenses, whether you have anti-reflective, polarized, mirrored, or coated glasses. Peeps is safe and effective for all types of lenses. It's also great for smartphones, tablets, and camera lenses. Guaranteed satisfaction. With over 6,000 plus 5-star reviews, Peeps has proven to be effective and reliable. Plus, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied with the results. How to use Peeps. Using Peeps is as simple as 1, 2, 3. It's designed to be quick, convenient, and effective. No complicated steps involved. Brush. Start by pulling out the built-in brush. Use it to gently remove dust, dirt, or any loose debris from the surface of your lenses. This prevents any particles from scratching your lenses during the cleaning process. Wipe. After brushing off the dust, slide out the carbon microfiber pads. Place your lenses between the cleaning tongs, then gently swipe the microfiber pads across the lenses. Clean and go. Enjoy spotless, smudge-free, streak-free lenses. That's it, you're done. No waiting, no mess, and no complicated methods. Peeps makes lens cleaning as simple as a single swipe. Peeps pros and cons. Like any product, Peeps has its pros and cons, but the advantages far outweigh the drawbacks, making it a top choice for anyone who needs clean lenses on a daily basis. Pros. Quick and effective, cleans your lenses in seconds without the need for sprays or cloths. Portable, compact, and easy to carry around wherever you go. Eco-friendly, reusable, and reduces waste from disposable wipes and cloths. No damage to lenses. The carbon microfiber is gentle on your lenses, preventing scratches and smears. Works on all lenses, safe for use on eyeglasses, sunglasses, phones, and even camera lenses. Affordable, Peeps is cost-effective compared to the continual purchase of wipes or sprays. Money-back guarantee, 30-day satisfaction guarantee with no questions asked. Cons. Initial cost. While Peeps is affordable in the long run, the initial purchase price might be higher compared to buying disposable wipes. Not for deep scratches. If your lenses are deeply scratched or damaged, Peeps won't be able to fix that. Overall, Peeps is a high-quality, reliable solution for maintaining clean lenses without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. Price and where to buy. Peeps is available at an affordable price, especially when you consider the number of uses you'll get out of it. You can pick it up for just $19.99 with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus, for a limited time, Peeps is offering 50% off when you order through their official website. Here are the current offers. 1 Peeps for buy 2, get 1 free for free shipping from the US warehouse. Get your Peeps delivered directly to your door in. Note, Peeps is not available on Amazon or eBay, so make sure to purchase it directly from the official website for the best deal and to guarantee authenticity. Conclusion. If you're tired of using ineffective cloths, messy sprays, and constantly dealing with streaks and fingerprints on your lenses, Peeps is the solution you've been waiting for. Whether it's for your glasses, sunglasses, or phone screen, this revolutionary product delivers a level of cleaning that is unmatched by traditional methods. With NASA-inspired carbon microfiber technology, Peeps ensures your lenses stay spotless and streak-free, with no risk of scratches or damage. Plus, its portable design, eco-friendly nature, and long-lasting performance make it an investment you'll appreciate every day. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, Peeps makes lens cleaning as easy as a single swipe. With over 6,000 5-star reviews, Peeps by Carbon Klean is not just another lens cleaner, it's the future of lens maintenance. Don't settle for smudged, streaky glasses. Grab your Peeps today and see the difference for yourself.